Hi, welcome again to English Wow. My name is Nishad. Let's practice English. It is a pen. Is it a pen? Yes, it is a pen. Is it a pen? No, it is not a pen. What is it? It is an apple. Is it an apple? No, it is not an apple. What is it? It is an orange. It is a book. Is it a book? Yes, it is a book. Is it a book? No, it is not a book. What is it? It is a cap. This is a policeman. Is this a policeman? Yes, this is a policeman. Is this a policeman? No, this is not a policeman. Who is this? This is a teacher. Is this a teacher? Yes, this is a teacher. Is this an ambulance? No, this is not an ambulance. Then what is it? This is a scooter. Is this a bus? No, this is not a bus. Then what is it? This is a truck. Is this a balloon? Yes, this is a balloon. Is this a chocolate? No, this is not a chocolate. Then what is it? This is a balloon. Is this an umbrella? No, this is not an umbrella. Then what is this? This is a chocolate. Is this black color? No, this is not a black color. Then what color is this? This is a white color. She is sleeping. Is she sleeping? Yes, she is sleeping. Is she sleeping? No, she is not sleeping. Then what is she doing? She is sitting. Is she speaking? No, she is not speaking. What is she doing? She is reading the newspaper. Is she driving? No, she is not driving. What is she doing? He is eating. Is he eating? No, he is not eating. What is he doing? He is driving. Is he attending a class? Yes, she is attending a class. Is she dancing? No, she is not dancing. What is she doing? She is attending a class. Is she attending a class? No, she is not attending a class. What is she doing?
She is buying vegetables.
Is he walking? No, he is not walking. What is he doing? He is running. Is he jumping? No, he is not jumping. What is he doing? He is eating. They are football players. Are they football players? Yes, they are football players. Are they football players? No, they are not football players. Who are they? They are policemen. Are they policemen? No, they are not policemen. Who are they? They are passengers. Are they kids? No, they are not kids. Who are they? They are elders. Are they old people? Yes, they are old people. Are they old people? No, they are not old people. Who are they? They are infants. They are watching TV. Are they watching TV? Yes, they are watching TV. Are they watching TV? No, they are not watching TV. What are they doing then? They are talking to each other. They are playing football. Are they playing football? Yes, they are playing football. Are they playing football? No, they are not playing football. What are they doing then? They are playing cricket. Are they crying? No, they are not crying. What are they doing? They are laughing. Are they coming? No, they are not coming. What are they doing? They are going. That's all. I hope this was a good session for you. ഞങ്ങളുടെ ഓൺലൈൻ സ്പോക്കൺ ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് ക്ലാസ്സിൽ ജോയിൻ ചെയ്യാൻ ഇൻട്രസ്റ്റ് ആണെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ഞാനിവിടെ നമ്പർ കൊടുക്കുന്നുണ്ട്. ലോകത്തിൻ്റെ ഏതൊരു ഭാഗത്തും നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഈ കോഴ്സിൽ അറ്റൻഡ് ചെയ്യാവുന്നതാണ്. നിങ്ങളുടെ ലെവലിനനുസരിച്ചിട്ടുള്ള ഡിഫറെൻ്റ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള ക്ലാസ്സുകളുണ്ട്. സ്പീക്കിംഗ് പ്രാക്ടീസുകളിലൂടെയാണ് ക്ലാസ്സുകൾ ഉണ്ടാവുക. സോ if you are interested, please contact us. I'll see you soon with another good topic. Till then, bye bye.